How to avoid tolls on Google Map. First of all, let's navigate and open Google Maps on your phone. Once you are inside the app, use a search bar at the top to set your destination. Once it is set and visible on the map, tap on the directions button. It will allow you to set your current location or starting point. For this demonstration, I am going to choose a random location. Now you can see the best route on the screen. To avoid tolls, tap on three dots at the top right corner. From this menu, tap on Options. On this page, you will find several options including Avoid Tolls. Make sure to enable the Avoid Tolls option. Once it's done, go back to the map screen. Now Google Map will suggest the best route without tolls on your way. And that's it. This is how you can avoid tolls on Google Maps. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.